parcels. I showed her obviously our universal credit, so they can see when we got paid, and it's proof of address. You idiot! Shit! Hell! Whoa! Yeah, he just didn't stop. He did roundabout. He just kept on going. What was on the roundabout?
Probably shouldn't have, because it's worth an absolute fortune now. It was was it
Car.
Yeah.
Stephen, they're not stopping.
Well, that's an him problem, isn't it?
Yes, I know that, but still.
Any man that I've seen hey!
Knobhead.
Ooh, you clipped your bike. Less aggression, lad, less aggression.
Only stands for 74 years, so if you go visit it today, it's in ruins. It's still very beautiful, but this is not just a palace, this is a palace and administration centre.
Yeah, that's right. And in fact, Berkeley's idea of building a stage is in a sense what he was doing. He was a stage for his.
I'll get that another time. Oh, that was a red light. Mr. Gold.
No. You jumped a red light. Go on back. Jeez. You want to stop playing with your phone, actually?
What the hell are you doing? Oh. Alright. Cross the road on hard mode.
Jesus Christ.
said, kind of upbeat. It's not your
Right.
keep going for now. I'll see you again. It's your time, I promise. Came back to me to give me some.
Nice.
Nearly went through that fucking light, didn't I? Oh dear, we had a 3-car prank. Oh no. Yep, mashy smashy. I'm not going to choose now to go around.
That's, okay.
Oh, that's not good, is it?
What's that? Let's take
Two police cars, three police cars,
Two.
Wow.
And there's another flag. 3 going the that way. Yeah, there you go.
three
I don't know if
police.
we're still on green, but
Yeah. Well, and if you're halfway across,
Yeah.
it's like it's more dangerous to sit still, isn't it? So we have an Austin 7 and a rather more modern Mini. A V plate, that makes it about 1980. Now, here is a rare one. In 1967, Renault. No Caravelle, no less. Now, how many people recognise one of these beasts? Note the 3 headlights. Rather nice Buick if you're into your Americana. Not many of these blighters left. Lancia Beta. This is a HPE Coupe. Must be the one that hasn't succumbed to the rust.
Take care.
And here we have a gorgeous little Mark 1 Mini.
I'll put a proper one in.
This is a very early one.
fancy trip.
Well, that has got to go down as just about the smallest caravan I have ever seen.